What you doing?
Shooting bows. You know already.
I know already. Is that your new bow? Did you get a new bow while we were in Phoenix?
Yeah.
Cool.
You know.
I know. Just trying to record it. I'm gonna send this to Grandpa Mitchell.
He'd be so proud of me.
Yeah. You gonna go shoot?
Don't take a video of me and make it work.
Oh, you're fine, honey. Oh.
You keep falling up in the middle of the second arrow.
You gotta push it on. There you go. You're cute. You don't have to sit down to do it. Oh, well, say goodbye. I'm gonna turn the camera off now.